Hey, Jake Romanack here. I'm in the shop today and it is the perfect day to add an accessory to the Smokercraft 210 GLS Sport. This is my dad's boat this year, and typically we run EchoMap Ultra 2 units on our boats. We have for many years, but this year we decided to do something a little bit different. We decided to go with the GPS Map 9000 series, and the reason for that is because of this little bugger right here. I'm going to explain exactly what this is in this video and how to install it, but really looking forward to the features of this little box. Time to do an unveil of what we got going on right here. Now, we've had the opportunity to partner with SiriusXM, and this has allowed us to have what's called the GXM 54 module. It allows us to have SiriusXM marine weather and SiriusXM radio right at the tip of our fingers wherever we are on the Great Lakes. One of the disadvantages of being way offshore on the Great Lakes is we seldom have any cell phone service, but you really want to be able to follow the weather and figure out where these storms are coming across to be as safe as possible. This is going to allow us to do this. The SiriusXM module, the GXM54, hooked up to the boat is going to allow us to have all the weather at the tip of our fingers right from our sonar units while we're out on the water, whether I have cell phone service or not. So we're going to start this off with an unboxing of what comes with the GXM54. First, you're going to go ahead and you're going to purchase this product right here, and you're going to have this box. When you open up the box, what you're going to find inside is the actual SiriusXM satellite receiver. This is what will be receiving the signal from the SiriusXM satellites. We're also going to have this module. The module takes the information from your receiver antenna and sends the weather data through your chart plotter. The next piece of equipment that we're going to have is what's called a Blue Net cable adapter. That is because we are running the 9000 series from Garmin this year. And what I'm going to do, jump in the boat, give you a step-by-step tutorial of how to hook this up into your boat. So I jumped inside the boat here, and actually what I opted to do was go ahead and install this GXM54 module, and then now what I can do is give you guys the play-by-play of exactly what you need to do a hookup to your boat. Luckily, it's a very simple process, and I had no problem hooking it up. The very first thing I started with was the install of the SiriusXM satellite receiver. And I opted to mount it right up here on the front of the console. My boat, there's a nice flat spot to be able to mount it to. So I went ahead and I drilled a 1-inch hole, and that's where my network cable is going to come up through. So I drilled that 1-inch hole, and then I actually used the puck as a template itself and drilled out a 1/8 inch hole, 3 of them. That allowed me to mount the satellite receiver down flat to the gunnel of the boat. I actually mounted it up by the windshield. The very next step is you run that network cable up through your 1-inch hole that you drilled. You go ahead and you connect the puck to your network cable. And then when you put everything together, there's a little set screw to hold everything tight. All of that went very smoothly, mounting it right there at my windshield. So now what I had is a situation where I had that network cable draped up underneath the console, and it was time to hook up everything together. So within the GXM54 module, the nice thing about that is everything's hooked up within the module itself. So I ran one lead off the module, traced it up. That lead needed to hook up to my sonar unit. This is a GPS Maps 9000 series. And with being the 9000 series, I need that Blue Net cord to be able to plug everything in. So I went ahead and I plugged the Blue Net cord together. From there, I traced over to the audio cables. That was super simple. I have my radio right here. I was able to hook that into the back of my radio, no problem, and hook that up. Now the actual GXM54 module has to be powered. And so the nice thing is I have a fuse bus mounted right underneath the console, so I was able to tie into my existing power, adding a fuse to that fuse bus, giving the module power. And then of course the last thing was to hook up the actual network cable to the GXM54 module. Once that was all hooked together, that's the entire system. Everything is hooked up. Now at that point, you got to make it pretty. So I took a little bit of time to clean all the cables up, cable tie everything where they need to be, but now everything is hooked up. The next step is going to be outside. We're going to go ahead and pull this boat outside because I got an antenna that needs to link to the sky to be able to hook everything up. So we're ready to rock and roll with our GXM54 working with our Garmin GPS map units. You know, now that we're outside, it's the perfect opportunity to let everything sync up to the satellite, and that's exactly what we've done here. So basically now we have everything hooked up, we're outside, that antenna is gonna sync up to the satellite. Now the next big step is obviously setting up your subscription. You can go to SiriusXM.com/Great Lakes. There's a lot of really good information there and getting your subscription set up. Once you have your subscription set up though, now you're rocking. Basically right here on the unit, I have where I can go to my charts, and then pulled up from my charts, it gives me a lot of different options: precipitation, forecast, sea temperature, everything that I need to know. So if I quickly just pull up that precipitation, this is one of the coolest functions, in my opinion, of the GXM 54 system, is now I can clearly see all of these systems that are coming across. I can check the wind forecast, I can check precipitation. If I know I'm offshore and I can't use my phone, I can have that great data right there at the tip of my fingers, right on my unit itself. The other nice thing about your subscription base is if you go all the way back here and you go back to Vessel, you can go to Media, and now you have SiriusXM, the same music that you know and love inside your truck, right here at the tip of your fingers in your boat. You know, I'm really looking forward to spending some time out on the water this year, having the safety of my weather out there, no matter if I have cell phone service or not. Hooking up the GXM 54 was a very simple install. Now we're ready to rock and roll. We're gonna have our weather, we're gonna have our radio, all at the tip of our fingers, ready to go for the season this season.